Ito, test tayo. Short review lang tayo for mga unit na kinuha ni Sir Rojan and ni Sir Elijah. Okay, so dalawang Pit Viper. Lapit mo, brother. So Pit Viper, double bell Pit Viper guys, John Wick 4. So with complete markings. Okay, so medyo basa lang guys. So ayan, with TTI markings, naka-staple yung grip niya, naka-enlarged magazine release, naka ano rin, adjustable trigger, naka-compensator. So gumagalaw talaga to ha. Naka-optic sights, naka-magwell with TTI markings. Okay, so guys, ito kasama na yung case. And then out of the box may mga kasamang ganito. Continental coin, Continental card, extra nozzle, cleaning rod, and magazine capacity is 30 rounds with TTI markings. Okay? So, titest natin siya kung ilang FPS out of the box. So, isa na lang yung titest natin ha. Okay, game. Firing. So, 281, 283, 274. So again, double bell Pit Viper John Wick 4. So makikita nyo to guys sa clearance folder natin under the Google Drive. And then, ito para kay Sir Elijah. So ito yung 1911 ng Golden Eagle or JG. So metal slide, metal frame. And then 80% EM spec din siya guys. So may part siya if ever may masira. Okay? So magazine capacity is around mga 26-28, dual stock. So test natin. Firing 305, 310. So for details guys, mag-PM na lang kayo sa page